Hey everyone, so I've pulled a card for you all out there today asking what do you need to focus on to bring more money into your life today? And the Four of Pentacles came through and the message is to let go a little bit with money and don't hold on to it so tightly and hoard it and worry that if you spend it that it won't come back to you. Because the thing is, when you live in lack and you hold on to the money, right, you're not opening up the flow and allowing more money to come in. So when you slowly release money, because, you know, money is meant to be in flow, going out, coming in, going out, coming in, you'll start to attract more. So as you release some, then that makes room for more to come in. Okay, so holding on is not a good thing at the moment to your money, right? It's about slowly letting it go and knowing without a doubt that more will come back to you. So a belief you could instill is, you know, when I let go of money or when I pay something, tenfold comes back to me. Something like that, right? Or you could say, I'm so grateful for this money to pay for these things that I want, and I'm also grateful that more will come back towards me. Something like that. So if those affirmations resonate, pop them in the comments and repeat them very, very often and, you know, let them start to become a new belief. So letting go of money is important for you right now to then attract more money into your life. So if you've liked this reading, make sure you hit the like button so I know you've liked it and I can bring you more. Subscribe, hit the bell notification so you're notified of upcoming readings and videos that I do, and I'll chat to you all soon. Bye.